So you've made up your mind on your infrastructure hardware. Got your servers, your storage hardware, your networking, wireless, and voice equipment all set. Nice. Now it's time to support it all. No problem there, right? Just put the OEM support plans on everything you've got. Wait, whoa, hold up. That's going to cost you an arm and a leg. Sure, OEM programs offer some nice features, but it seems like overkill to use it in some places. Like using a jackhammer to dig up dinosaur bones. Whoa, Tiger. There has to be a better way. Some sort of strategy you could use to maybe save yourself some money. Well, try this concept on for size. The hybrid support strategy. A hybrid support model is where you use a mix of OEM offerings, third-party maintenance, and spares to get the exact coverage you need in every area of your infrastructure. So let's play Wheel of Support. Like, it probably makes sense to keep your collaboration, security, and mission-critical functionality on OEM support, so you have those patches and updates. But there are areas where third-party maintenance makes sense so you can save a bit, like in high-density areas where you're using reliable hardware with a stable OS, especially if your gear is approaching end-of-life milestones from the OEM. Check out how this graph shows the depreciating value of your hardware over its lifetime compared to the cost of OEM maintenance. As the OEM's planned obsolescence of the gear approaches, the price of their support actually increases, all while they offer fewer of those sweet, sweet features. Come on, man! Don't pay for what you're not getting. Look into hybrid support and find ways to save money and get more flexibility with third-party maintenance. An investment in TPM is an investment in your independence. Time to let freedom ring.